Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying life well. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some crochet bag design ideas with you. Crochet bags are a great way to use any leftover yarn, and they can be made in any styles or size you like. This video is all about tote bag, but I will also describe many types of bags designing ideas in this video like market bag. This is the classic crochet bag that is perfect for carrying groceries bags, that is perfect for carrying groceries or other everyday item. It is typically made with sturdy yarn and has large opening at the top. The tote bag. Tote bags are another popular option for crochet bags. They are typically made with lighter weight yarn and have shorter handles than market bags. Tote bags are great for carrying books, laptops, or other large items. The shoulder bags. Shoulder bags are a great option for carrying your belongings hand free. They are typically made with a medium weight yarn and have a long strap that can be worn over the shoulder. Shoulder bags are perfect for everyday use or for special occasions. The backpack. Backpacks are a great option for carrying your belongings on the go. They are typically made with a heavy weight yarn and have multiple compartments for organizing your stuff. Backpacks are perfect for schools, work, or travel. The clutch bags are a stylish option for carrying your essentials. They are typically made with lightweight yarn and have a small opening at the top. Clutch bags are perfect for special occasions or for night out on the town. There are just few ideas to get you started with your little creativity. You can crochet any type of bag you can imagine. So get out your own and hook and start crocheting. Here are a few additional tips for designing your own crochet bags. Choose the right yarn, consider the pattern, add your own personal touch. I hope these ideas inspire you to crochet your own beautiful and unique bag. Happy crocheting!